Tonight's wine is Blackberry Merlot. Pretty good. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is episode of Tipsy IPSY unboxing. Yes, now that it is March, I have February's bag to unbag and drink to. I get the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. It's $25 a month, and I have it every other month subscription because I was just getting so overwhelmed by just like crap that I didn't really like or need in all of my bags. So I've been really, really happy with the every other month, but this one came so late. I literally just got it yesterday. So we're going to unbag this, and you're going to see my first impressions. I'm going to put it on my face, and I'll let you know what I think. I will, of course, leave the price of all of the items, on the screen somewhere, and I will total it up at the end so we can see if this bag is worth the $25 a month. So if you're excited to see what's in this month's Tipsy IPSY bag, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Okay, February's bag is clearly Valentine's Day themed. I've got my heart earrings on, and I have a heart sweater on. And a lot of pink. So, ow, that hurt. Let's dig into February's bag. This one's really bulky and heavy. I feel something really large in here, but I'm just going to grab whatever's on top. It is an Eclat Skin Charcoal Black Peel-Off Mask. Okay. I really like to get makeup in these bags, but I have really liked a lot of the skincare that comes in these bags, so I will always give something a chance. Looks like this, it's pretty small. I don't know if this is the full size. I mean, everything that normally comes in the Glam Bag Plus is a full size, and I would not be happy if I bought this full price. Okay, I've got something pretty large. This is In Transit, No Traces. This Works Rosewater and Mint Infused Pads. Is This Works an MLM, or is it Works? I'm kind of excited to try these out. I have very, very sensitive skin, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I will try anything one time. More skincare. I have Fig Renewal Oil from Biro. Biro? Ooh, that looks so fancy. I've never heard of fig oil before, but I guess it's supposed to be just a moisturizer. This looks fancy. Okay. So much skincare. Okay. I have a Lucky Chick Hydrating Lip Gloss. Okay, a gloss. This is in the shade Paradise. We have some makeup. Okay, super boring shade. Just a rose pink color. I've never heard of the brand Lucky Chick before either. I've never heard of like any of this stuff. And the last item, is from the brand Complex Culture. And I really do like this brand. I've had a few things from them, but let's see. This is a Good Glow Blush Duo. Okay, So Chill and Glow Rush. I really like this glowy coral one. I think that's pretty. The baby pink color I probably won't get so much use out of, but this one is pretty. Okay, so I guess we're going to use these two makeup items today, and then I will also try out the skincare for you as well. I'm definitely going to go in with So Chill, the shimmery shade. It's really pretty. I know that glowy blushes are very polarizing in the beauty community, but I like to glow and glisten, and I like glitter, so I like it whenever I have glowy products. Wow, I like this shade a lot. I will be getting a lot of use out of this in the summer. I can already tell. I love that glow. Okay, that's the Complex Culture Blush Duo. I like it. Lucky Chick Paradise Lip Gloss. Oh, that's like basically my lip color. My natural color. You cannot tell I put anything on at all. I don't know, I just don't gravitate towards nude lip glosses. Especially because this one doesn't have any shimmer in it. Okay. Basically my lip shade. Okay, and now that we have our makeup on, let's take it off. Okay, so this works. Makeup remover pads. Here's something personal about me. I do not buy makeup wipes. I do not buy pads like this. I use reusable makeup remover pads that you just wash. Wow, that did work really, really good though. Really good. I'm gonna leave my brows and makeup on because I've got to take a shower after this anyway, so. Wow, I used one pad. It worked really, really good. One makeup pad took off all of my daily makeup. Nothing heavy today, but that did leave my skin pretty irritated. It's pretty abrasive because I don't use stuff like this. That would be easy on nights where I cannot be bothered to wash my face, which, trust me, sometimes it fucking happens, you know what I'm saying? It happens. That's disgusting. Oh shit, I just spilled my wine everywhere. This is why I can't have nice things. It's everywhere. Okay, we are going in with Eclat Skin Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Oh gosh. I don't buy into the hype of charcoal stuff. I don't have a lot of peel off masks. In my own personal opinion, they're very stripping on the skin. I don't know, let's try. It's got a nice consistency to it. And I usually just focus this on my cheeks, chin. I have a thick enough layer to actually be able to peel it off though. I avoid underneath my eyes and I get right in the oh gosh, something is burning my eyes. Right in the center of my forehead, down my nose. That's how I do it. Now we wait. Something is burning though. I don't appreciate hack on my epidermis, but personally, I don't buy peel off masks and I don't believe in the hype of charcoal. I think it was a big trend. I don't know, overhyped in my personal opinion. So no, I would not buy this with my own money. So far, that's like nothing in this bag. How long is this supposed to stay on for? 15 to 30 minutes. Things are starting to tighten up. Also, I'm starting to get really hot. I do really love masks. I think I'll get a lot of use out of that. And I mean, it's a nice peel off mask. I just don't buy these with my own money, you know? Okay, the very last thing is this fig oil. I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay. And I'm just going to pat that in to my skin. Oh. It's very earthy. I don't know what the benefits of fig are, so if you do know, let me know. No idea personally. None. Okay, and that is going to be it for today's video. Here is the total of everything in this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I personally wouldn't buy any of these products, but I'm happy to have them. You know, like maybe I'll get some use out of them. I don't know. The blush is really pretty. I guess these are very useful. The gloss I probably won't get a lot of use out of. The charcoal mask is nice, but the oil, maybe. I don't know. It's just a bunch of random stuff. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this month's bag. Let me know what you think. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.